Hello, everybody. My name is Jimmy, and to show you all or sort of explain one of the problems that was just on the exam. So I'm going to talk about this one, question 15 here. So regarding this problem, let's just read it first. We have given that 5x plus 5y equals 57 minus 6xy and x equals 3xy minus 18 minus y. What is x squared plus y squared? So to start with this problem, we're going to look at, see if we could try to write both of these equations in terms of similar like items, right? What we can see here is if we take a 5 out of this first half, we can get 5x plus y is equal to 57 minus 6xy. And then in this other equation, if we add this y over to this other side, we can get x plus y is equal to 3xy minus 18. And we can see both of these equations can be written in terms of x plus y and x squared or x times y. So we can do a substitution of variables here. We can write s is equal to x plus y, and we can do r is equal to xy. Substituting that in, we get 5s is equal to 57 minus 6r, and we can get s is equal to 3r minus 18. Then what we can do is we can just substitute this equation in for that one, and we can solve for r. We're going to get 15r minus 8 times 5 is 40, 5 times 5 is 50. So that's going to be minus 90, if I did that right. Yeah. And then that is going to equal 57 minus 6r. Then we can add the r over, and we can add 90 over, and we're going to end up getting, going to move up here. We're going to end up getting 21r is equal to 147. Dividing by 21, we are going to get r is equal to 7. Then we can plug r back into one of the equations we made earlier. Let's take this one over here. We're going to plug in r equals 7. We're going to get s is equal to 21 minus 18. So s is equal to 3. Now there's one last step we have to do before we could finish this problem. And it's going to be, we need to get back into x and y and get back into terms of x plus y. So one thing we know that if we take x plus y squared, or in other words, s squared, that's going to be equal to, well, we have to expand this binomial when we square it. So it's going to look like x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. For this other term, r equals x plus y, what we can see here is we're trying to find x squared plus y squared. So we know that 2xy is just going to be 2r. So if we can subtract 2r from this equation, and we can end up getting x squared plus y squared. So what we're going to want is we're going to want s squared minus 2r. That's going to be equal to x squared plus y squared. Plugging in the numbers we found earlier, we're going to get 9 minus 14, or negative 5 is our answer. And this was one of the options. I think it was C, not certain. Cool.
Hey, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.